Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. To get started, let's pull down our notifications and extend the list of toggles, and then here you'll see power saving mode. Now if you don't see it right here, you can just swipe to the side. Hopefully it's on the next page. So once you see it, just press on it, and there we go, that's it. As you can see, it turns the inside of the battery into this kind of like orangish, yellowish color, just to signify that it is right now in power saving mode. And there's not really anything that it tells us what it does with power saving mode, what's going to be happening in the background, so I'm not going to be really guessing, but that is how you'd enable it. Now once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle, tapping on it again, and there you go, now it's off. So with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.